Hey kiddos, let's talk about astronomy. So astronomy is a one-semester course. Next semester we will do environmental science. Both of these semesters we're going to do what I call project-based learning. So in our project-based learning, every unit, so let's scroll down to your first unit, which is the history of astronomy. You'll have some slides where I give you background information. If you're in class, we'll go through these slides together. If you're virtual, you need to go through these slides yourself because you will be quizzed over these. So at the beginning of every unit, we'll have slides. For the history of astronomy, we have 2 sets of slides. Most units, you only have 1 set. So you'll have slides, you'll have vocab. Your vocab is going to look something like this. You'll have vocab. I give you your terms. These terms can be found in the slides. You can also look up the definitions on any website of your choosing. You're going to type your definitions or copy and paste them into these blue boxes here. If there's a blue box, type in it. If there's not a blue box, don't worry about it. So let's go back. Oh, here we go. And then you have your slides. You'll have vocab every unit. This will be assigned at the beginning of the unit. It's not due until the last day of the unit. You'll have a project every unit, which will be assigned. On your first project, which is history of astronomy, it looks like this. I'm going to give you a little bit of introduction. I'm going to give you some instructions with exactly what to put on each slide. I tell you how to submit your project. And then I also give you a rubric on how exactly you'll be graded. So there you go. Down here at the bottom, I have my list of astronomers or my list of topics, and I will assign you an astronomer or whatever topic we happen to be going over. This first one just happens to be history of astronomy, and it's a list of astronomers. I will put all of the students' names in here. It's your responsibility to find your name so you know what to do. If you are in class, I'll make sure you know this, but if you are virtual, you need to make sure that you check this. So if we go back now, so I have slides at the beginning, then I have my vocab. You're given a project. You'll be given several days in class to work on the project, and at the end of the unit, we'll take a quiz. Your quiz will be based on about half of the slide, half the points in your quiz will be based on the information found in the slides, and the other half will be vocab. Generally, it'll be about 50-50. The other thing you see here is you have bell work. So every week I'll have bell work, and to find where your bell work is, we're going to go up here to announcements. So every week at the beginning of the week, I will post an announcement of what we're doing that week. So if we look here, it says week 1, August 31st through September 4th. It says, hello, astronomy class. This week we will discuss the history of astronomy, the schedule for this week. If you look, the first thing listed under each day is your bell work. In a document, you need to write the date, the question, and the answer for bell work, and then you'll submit it on Friday. So every day, your bell work, what we were going to do in class, if we're in class, and then any assignments that are given that day and their due dates. So there is all of that. The other thing I want you to be able to check out right now is your syllabus. So on your syllabus, obviously it's all your information for the course, but down here at the bottom, it also has all of your due dates. The little calendar icon, it means I've assigned us to do that item in class that day, or that's what I've scheduled for us. The little pencil paper tells me that I have an assignment due that day. All right, so then if we go to our calendar over here on the side, this will give you a calendar of all of your courses, but if you click on the box for just this course, so I'm going to click on the box for just astronomy here, it shows you what we're doing in class. So it's the same thing that's listed at the bottom of the syllabus. I think I've covered everything that we need to. If you have any questions, you can send me a message over here in inbox, and I think that's it. If you guys have any questions, again, please message me. You're going to do great. I look forward to the school year. So bye-bye.